Using a stylist, I got used to using a paintbrush in order to create artwork, and one of the hardest things when you're creating a piece of art is to get the fine details in. And one of the greatest things about an iPad or drawing on the tablet is the fact that you can actually zoom in. So if you take your fingers and you put them close together on your tablet and you go like this on your tablet, what it does is it zooms in, and because it zooms in means that you don't have to have this real fine brush in order to create real fine detail. What you need to do is understand that as you zoom in closer and closer, the lines that you draw are going to be these real fine details. So when I'm creating a person's eyes or a wildlife eye, you have to make sure you take a look at an eye really carefully, zoom in on it and look at someone's eye or look at the cat's eye, and then try to see the way the light's reflecting on it. So you see my eyes and you see the little white showing up in it. You have to make sure you put that in. You have to make sure that your eye isn't flat, two-dimensional. You have to create the feeling that there's an image there and that there's a personality behind those eyes. Someone says the eyes are the window to the soul. Now, we don't want to get all religious and all that other stuff, but in your drawings, if you don't have that eye that looks alive, you may as well quit the drawing before you even start. So take your time, make sure the eye is perfect before you start to draw it. Sorry, before you start to draw the rest of the animal, because there's no use drawing the whole animal if the eyes are dead. Then all you're going to end up with an animal that looks like it's not alive. So you want to create that magic in the eyes. So take your time and do